Hello, welcome back. This is the Textivo project, and I'm your host, Steve. We're going to take KDE stock and make it look like this. Hello, and welcome back. This is the KDE Plasma. Stands for K Desktop Environment. And recently I ran across a Windows Windows clone, which is a Linux distribution called Wubuntu11. And after I took a look under the hood and figured out the background of that, it's based off of LinuxFX. And yeah, there was a big hoopla there for a little while on them, and I do not recommend anybody get either one of those distributions. So what I did was I figured if you're new to Linux, I figured I'd just show you how to race your desktop to make it look like Windows for you. That way, you know, you're more familiar with Windows, and it's a way for you to be more comfortable with Linux. So basically what we want to do here is open up settings, the system settings down here. Go to appearance. Let's change it to dark first. That way I'm not there we go. That way I'm not blinded. Alright, we want to get a new global theme. Excuse me. Let's type in Windows here. There's one right there, but that's not the one I want. Maximize it. Endless global. Windows 11 Noble global theme. Let's go with the dark one. And let's see what else they got. Oh, they got Twilight too. Oops, what happened? Oh, it skipped on me. Well, we can download Twilight too. And it's going to take a minute to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it. When it does come back, oh, there it is. It's asking for my password. That way you can install it because it goes into the root system. So I'm going to pause it when it's done. And when it's done, I'll be back. And it has security updates. So we're going to go ahead and install those too before I get any further. When you first install something, always get your security updates first. I mean, I installed the themes for it. That's not going to really matter that much, but you want to make sure you get your security updates on this. That way your system is as safe as possible all the time. Scroll down here. Which one's this one? Let's minimize this. I want to take a look at this one real fast. Windows Beauty. Oh, I see what they did. They split the bar up. Made 1, 2, 3, 4 bars to get it to look like that. That's not bad. That's a good look. Now you can do this with for Windows to make it look like Windows, or you can for Mac OS or XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows Vista, Mac OS Big Sur, all those good things. So she is done installing that. So what we're going to do is close this out, and application style. Oxygen, Breeze Fusion, MX9. We're wanting to go for let's go with, yeah, we want the flat look. Configure the style. Let's see if there's anything in here I want a transparency. Okay. Plasma style here. I do want to get another style other than this one. Let's go with some window decorations. Yeah, we'll stick with that one. There we go. Rounded. Let's go back to the global theme. There is something I forgot to do. 111 dark. Okay, it shows everything. Good. I just wanted to make double sure. Okay, let's go with, okay. Type in Windows again, or Willow. They call it Willow. Sometimes it's Windows, sometimes it's Willow. Let's maximize this out. These are icons, though. Use Plasma 24 for best results. I recommend having background on it to stop it. Change your color scheme. Inspector will change with it. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Let's do that. And it sounds like my wife's phone. Yeah. We're gonna have to change this. But let's go to Windows. See what they got. Man, you can hear the bass of my Expedition. Let's grab this one. And this one, and this one. Alright, I'm going to go and pause because of the neighbor's truck. Okay, the update is done. I have to reboot the sucker. So we're on plasma style, so we'll have to redo this. Reopen everything up. Oop. And we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. The machine crashed. The update killed it. Go figure. Okay, so we're going to get new window decorations. Windows. Afterglow, tint blue, opaque title window theme. It was classic. 11 dark. Install. that too, just for. Nope. Use that one. Install demo declaration. Choose no side borders for. Okay, I think we're good here. Yeah, we'll just leave the fonts the way they are. Go with icons. We'll use these for now. Okay, let's get new icons. See what we got. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay, let's install this. Ooh, there's a bunch of them. Okay, we already got the 111 dark. Let's go with this one. Okay, let's back out of this. I wish it wouldn't do that. See what these look like just for the fun of it. Oh man, I remember that. I had fun with I had fun on Windows when I was on XP. Even though it had a blue screen of death a lot. I had a tech code for it, so I could reuse that code as many times as I wanted to. One more. We'll call it good on this. Okay, close this out. What is the difference? I don't see any difference. Yeah, I don't see any difference. Do cursors. Windows. If there is anything. Windows Vista. Concept. Chrome. 1 pixel. 2E. Open crosshair. Crosshair. Yeah, let's go back up to the concept one and do that one. Come on now. Get up there. Windows Vista. Okay, there we are, right here. We'll go with the dark. There we go. That works. Flash screens. Splash. Now we can test these out. Let's see if which one is the best. Okay, this is probably the same one. Looks like one person did it, another person ripped them off and uploaded them, or maybe they uploaded it twice. Now this is a Windows Endless. Same thing. Alright, let's see if we can get new. Alright, just type in Windows again. Okay. I tried this one out. Outside of a VM, you're going to be able to see the whole thing, but inside the VM, you're only going to be able to see about this from here over. Now, these are what some of the other distribution splash screens look like. Is this everything? All entries, okay. Well, this obviously is not all entries. There we go. Now it's catching up. Let's get this one. This one. And is there any more? Windows Vista right here. Windows XP. Vista. Again. There's Windows 10 right there. I wish there was a different color on that. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna have to close this out and open it back up. The VM issue. Alright, get back in there. It's gonna suck because I have to go back down to where I was at. You know what? I think I'm good. I think we're good with that. We'll go with this one. Yeah, I like this one better. Let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, we'll go with the dark one. Apply. Now, should I do the boot screen? Yeah, let's see what they got. We'll do something simple there. Maybe something like that, but blue, if we can find it. Something like this one, but blue. I may just get that one. You know what, I'm going to go ahead and grab it anyways. Oh, geez. There's a bunch in here. Well, since we're in neon, we'll do neon. Put in that super secret sauce right there. All the week long day. Yeah, I'm kind of bored. I've been at this for hours. I was almost completely done on the first one, and then I did the update, and it locked up. And I just thought it was something I did or something, and then it was a clone VM. I'd done the update. It crashed. I couldn't get back into it, so I redid it again. But I did the update earlier, and it did the same thing. So there's an update I do not want to do right now for the VM. Also, if you stick around, I'll show you a little bit of KDE 6, what that looks like, and a couple of things that are that are on there, a couple improvements that they're bringing down the pipeline. It's the beta version, so it has its bugs. Let me tell you, I had to put it on. I tried to install it in the VM, it didn't work, would not install, and then I tried to install it on an external hard drive. It got all the way up to expanding the SquatchFS, and then that crashed. So I just ran it in the live environment. Got a little bit more work to do on that. A lot of work goes into the KDE, let me tell you. Okay, we're done. I don't think we're going to find anything better than that. So we'll apply that. It's going to need my password. A super secret one. And it's going to take a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this part out and pause it. And we'll be back when that part's done. And then we can go to the login screen. And then I'll put her all together. Okay, she's done. Let's do the login screen. SDDM is the login screen, the name for it. And we have Endless and Windows 11 Dark. Let's try to get a new one. Let's try and get a new one here. I've got one. We got that one. There's a Windows 7. You know, you could think it would look like Windows XP 2000, 95, 98. Anything that you want. Okay, well, looks like we reached the end of it. So, what we need to do now is get a background. And then we're going to do something there. Need to get some background, so we're going to configure desktop wallpaper. Right click on the desktop and then click on configure desktop wallpaper. We could do one of these, but I found another one that I kind of like. Windows. Let's install that one. This one. This one. This one. This one. And this one. And then we'll call it good. I'm going to use this one. Bring this back up. Grab this. If it's going to do it. It's in a VM. You can change the backgrounds to match. I don't think it's going to let me. I may have to reboot this thing. Or close it out. Yeah, it's not responding. Terminate it. Let's reopen it back up. Sometimes you just run into issues in a VM. It's always best to run this on the hardware. I don't think it's going to let me do it. It's thinking about it. I haven't done anything. There we go. Apply. Do it again. It didn't let me change the background this time. Nope. There we go. Configure desktop wallpaper. Okay, where's that one that I had after the desktop? It's right here. Open containing folder, because I need the location of it. Home.local share wallpapers. I need a nav bar. I can't remember where it's at. Configure. There we go. Status bar. Confirmations. Previews, behavior. Okay, navigation. Nope. I guess I'll just have to remember it. It'll take me too long to remember how to do this. So, I'll need to keep this. Minimize this. And we need to navigate to that. So it's home. Okay, we need a view. Darn it. Normally wouldn't have this problem. Copy. Go to the home directory. Create folder. Pictures. Click enter. Paste one file. That'll work. Did it work? Or did it just jump out of my screen? Come on. Man, this VM. There's since I put the Wubuntu in this thing, it's been acting up. Up. Change background. Yeah, it's the background. So we got it. I'll log out real fast. We're going to reboot this. And we're going to see if all those changes I put in there took effect. And you're going along for the ride on this one so we can see it. Yeah, if you want, go ahead and take a look at that walkthrough in that Wubuntu 11 video that I did. I uploaded it. I didn't stream it. Probably should have streamed it. I would have got more views on it. Right now only it has like 5. When I stream something, it's anywhere between 200 and 500 depending on the subject. On my other channel, I streamed something on J6, man, and jeez Louise, did that thing. It was like 700 views on it in the time that I had it running. Ta-da! There's your login screen. Should have been the blue one. And let's see what the splash screen took. There we go. All right. Now we need to get this. Let's open this up because I need to see what the Windows 11 desktop looks like. I know basically what it looks like, but I want to know exactly what it looks like. I'm going to make it look similar, but not exact, and I might put a couple of a little bit more polish on it. I don't have anything over on this side. They have all that over there. So this needs to be moved. And then I can keep the rest of it over here. I'm going to get rid of the clock and put the clock on the desktop. Yeah, that's not too hard to do. Huh. There we go. We got that part. mode, move this over. What is this? Okay, get rid of that. Okay. To go into edit mode, it's to right click on your nav bar, enter edit mode, and there you go. We're going to add a spacer. I'm going to click on over here. If I can get it to. I'm going to add another one. Take this, put this back over here where it belongs. And now I'm going to add another one. And that's how you do this, to get it to look like that. And then this. Okay, let's get out edit mode. Okay. You go. Yep, that's centered. Okay. Go back into edit mode. Oh, it's the whole tray thing. Okay, it's back. Yeah, you can. I don't think I can move any of these. All right, let's go to add widgets first. I need to download a specific one. I'm going to search clocks. Okay. Nope. That just throws it all off. Okay, we'll just have to search. It's going to take a couple minutes. We can get the weather on there too. But I don't want weather. Let's move this down like this. Stretch this out. There we go. Looking for a specific clock. Now we can do something like that. Something like this. Where was the clock at? Did I already pass it? And we have a home. There's a home assistant too. If you have a home assistant, I might have already passed it. Okay. Come on. I don't want the bubble. Maybe this one? Oh, maybe this one. No, it's not that one. Oh, that one? I already have that one. Nope. Maybe it was that last one. No, Didn't look like it. Maybe it was this one. Okay, I think it is this one. Okay. Close this out, go back into edit mode. We need to add widgets. Clock. Analog clock. Clock of truth. It's a little big. Yeah, it's huge. I don't want that one. Try this one. Oh yeah, that's better. It's not the one that I wanted, but yeah, that's still too big. But adjusted right. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Okay. One of my kids got loud. Hopefully you didn't hear that. Let's edit mode again. I need to rebuild this up a little bit. Yeah, that's about right. So we'll remove that. Close that out. Let's get the widgets. I want to put the weather down there. I'm not sure which one to get. Let's try this one. Configure. Let's do something random. New York, New York. I'm sure it doesn't really matter. Let's click on any of them. Click apply. Click OK. And it shows it's sunny. Now if you click on it, there's your weather report. Alright. And let's close this out. Sure everything's working good. And it is. Now, for Windows applications, you need Wine. Type in Wine here. Okay, Wine. Now the development version has the more up-to-date packages in it, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. Install that one. Install that one. Get that one in there too. Photoscape is a fun and easy photo editing software to fix and enhance photos. Yuri's Revenge is a real-time strategy game. Okay. That'll help you game too. And Lutris is another UI for gaming. Well, that's pretty much it for racing this to make it look like Windows. And you don't have all that freaking hidden software that gives other people access to your files and folders without you knowing about it. And in this, you got all kinds of stuff. You got accessories. Oops, let's go back. Clear this out. All applications. Accessories. Come on. There we go. There literally is thousands of free programs in here. If you do decide to try out Windows, I mean not Windows, Linux, I would go with Ubuntu. All the flavors of Ubuntu except for the KDE or Kubuntu. If you're going to do that, go with KDE Neon. The difference between the two is Kubuntu is going to get the base backend updates first, and the desktop environment updates last. It's always a few versions behind on the desktop than the KDE developers are for their user ISO. Now, for KDE, obviously going to get all the updates and everything first for the desktop environment, but you're also going to get all the security updates within 24 hours that Ubuntu gets them and posts them out. So that's why I always run KDE. Get the best of both worlds with that one. There's Godot for your game developer. The Flat Seal, manage Flatpak permissions. Accessories, Speed Crunch, Gear, Bitwarden, Zernal, Terminator, ThinkCast remote desktop client, I have this installed on my server so I can access it. Well, it's got 5 servers on there. Well, 6 now. It's pretty stretched for resources. I gotta redo it. And you get a bunch of games in here too. Some are really dated. Some aren't. Like RoboBlast too. If you go with 0 AD, where did I see that at? If you go in there. Oops, wrong one. Zero AD had a big, huge update to like a year. Or no, it was either a big, huge update or it was released like a year or 2 ago. Yeah, this is a VM thing right here. Anyways, you get the picture. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. And there you go. Your own personal Windows version. Although I will add one more thing. I need another widget. There we go. You can assign a hotkey to this and then search instead of clicking on the menu here. And let's say we want the file manager, which would be Dolphin. You can click on that too. And there's Dolphin right there. If I remember correctly, I forget what the hotkey is for it. But there's a hotkey that'll drop down a search menu bar like this one right on your screen for you. See if we can get that to come back up. Enter edit mode. Wallpaper, configure display settings. No. It's going to take me too long to figure it out. But anyways, that's how you rice the KDE desktop to mimic a Windows, the Windows 11 desktop. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Did you like it? I can do more videos like this. I can set it up to look like Mac too if you guys want. And I can do more server-side stuff. I can pretty much do anything. I just have to do a little bit of research to remind the old noggin. Okay, well that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for the brief look at Plasma 6. Okay, this is the Plasma 6. And if you notice it's bouncing down in the bottom bar was bumping down when you were doing it. And it's got this extra space between the menu and the bar. It's got extras on there, like, well, it's got the application finder and application menu, but it's got extra choices on the menu for changing it. Configure application launcher, add widget, show alternatives, application menu, This is the older, like Windows 7, Windows XP look. They haven't fixed that part yet. They haven't changed it. If you go over here and click on that, peek at the desktop, but there's nothing up. Ooh, what was that? Oh, that's kind of glitching. Oh, there we go. That moves it off the desktop there. And there's status notification drawer. Configure system tray. System tray settings. Adjust your panel icon spacing. Scale with panel height. Status notification. Your networks. Most recent volume. Oh, they added transparency on it. Cool. And the bar has transparency too. If you click on it and enter edit mode, now right here it kept doing the double menu, and this is in the live environment, so I'm assuming it's a bug. Every time I would move my mouse up here like it just did, it would keep doing that. I kept trying and trying and trying. Now over here, the configuration panel. And this time it did it, but then it blinked out on me. Try it again. Yeah. Yeah, it's got to be a bug. They're still working on it. They admit there's a lot of bugs in it right now. Try one. Nah. Yeah, I think it's just going to keep doing it. Here's your widgets. It's got transparency. Cleaned it up a little bit. Enter edit mode. And did it again. Well, configure. Try to get that, and it just keeps bugging out. I like the way it looks. It looks really cool. Okay, development, graphics, internet, multimedia, office, settings, system, untitled, and help. You got welcome center. Let's see what the welcome center looks like. Oh, it's dark by default now. Click next. System settings. Now you can click on these up here. But if I remember correctly, there's a bug on that too. Get new stuff. Yeah. Click on third-party content. Nothing happens. Click on next. Okay, you discover, create a Blender, VLC, GIMP, K-Stars, and Endless Sky. Share anonymous usage. By default, it's disabled. And then get involved. If you want to donate your time, your expertise, and whatever, you can donate your time with them. And you can support them by donating cash. And drag up the right. If you're wondering why in a live environment I'm able to record this, is because I downloaded it and installed it into the live environment. Since it's not persistent, it goes away as soon as it's shut down. But I'm recording to my 4 terabyte storage drive inside my PC. Not touching my main hard drive. Well, that's going to be it. Quick look at Plasma 6. Have a good one, guys. Stay safe and follow me if you like it. If you want more content, I'm out.